Here's a quick way on how you can stop apps from constantly running in the background or perhaps force them to stop if they are draining your battery life. This is a Galaxy A55 smartphone. Let's get started. Let's just say you know which app is draining your battery life. You'll long press the app here and you'll see the circle with the eye, which is the app info. As you tap on that here one time, you'll see these different options. Then go down until you see battery. One, you can choose the unrestricted, which of course is the one that's causing your app to run in the background constantly. Switching over to optimize will reduce certain functions from running in the background and reduce battery usage. And then switching to restricted will prevent the app from running in the background. You will receive notifications as you enter into the app again. However, if these doesn't work and that app just constantly runs and runs and runs, you can also switch over to the force stop, which forces the app to stop and later come back on and re-enable it to function again, or perhaps run an update of the app to get back on track. And if this guide helped you in any way, like and sub.